There are other famous people from hell, such as Iron Mouse, and that's about it, actually. I kind of forgot. I really didn't pay attention. I was busy conquering hell. I wasn't really paying attention to trivia. But anyway.
Bubi.
Oh my gosh. What on earth was that noise? Anyway, my favorite thing to drink is O negative. It's got a nice taste to it. In fact, I might just take a sip right now. We could, couldn't we? What if we took a sip of wine right now? Would you mind if I took a sip? Oof. I don't mind. I'm a bit naughty. But anyway, oh, delicious O negative.